Welcome to the channel. In today's video, for another AI video generator. It's called Genmo AI. Okay, so what you can do, you can magically make videos with AI. A free way to make videos from text to images powered by AI. So the nice thing is that you can actually start using this tool straight after login, okay, and you can use it for free. You can test it out. Obviously you're gonna get yourself, the watermark and everything like that. If you want to start using for commercial use and remove the watermark, you'll have to pay $10 a month, okay, which gives you 10 times more fuel every day on the watermarks and no watermarks. So 1,000 daily fuels reset at midnight, watermark free generation, prior to access to new models. Okay. So that is costing you guys $10. However, if you want to stick to the free plan, okay, it's also a nice a plan to have at the beginning, at least, because you get yourself 100 daily generations, okay. There will be a watermark on it, everything else, okay. And I think this model will be under the free plan available for you guys, okay. But still, 100 generations a day for free, just to get it started, to see if that's something which you might consider buying. I think it's plenty. Okay, so I like those tools where they actually offer customers to go ahead and start using those tools for free first. Okay, so and then if it's something which you might enjoy it, you might consider buying it. Okay, so let's go quickly through the model itself. A very simple idea, similar to the ones we already covered in this channel for many videos. Okay, I see that the website is very clean, very pretty straightforward, no much of a complication. I don't think it needs to be complication too much. Okay, what you have to do, you just have to put your prompt. If you don't know the prompt, you're gonna go it yourself, and let me see, that was yeah, here you go. Need ideas for prompt? There you go. You got yourself a random prompt like gleaming bioluminescent forest under a full moon, turtle glow, digital art. Perfect. That's something you can definitely do it here. What you can also do, you can upload your own image if you have one. All right. So let's say that we want to actually, you know what? Let's do some test. All right. I got some image which I want to upload it here. And I want this image, it's an image of a room, like, it's something which I was generating randomly, and this tool actually came up with this uh, with the prompt. Okay, so a living room with a couch and table and chairs. Okay, so what that happened, okay, the Genmo AI actually discovered what's on that picture, and it gave me a prompt for it. Okay, which is nice. All right, it's nice to have it, those type of functionalities. They can read you. Sometimes you don't know what the prompt might be. Here you go, this tool can provide you with a prompt once you load the image into it. All right. So what are the settings that we have here? Okay, we can choose between 2, 4, and 6 seconds duration of the video. Okay, you can preserve what I mean, how much the video resembles your uploaded image. Okay, so let's say that we want to use that image here, and we want to keep it like a 70%. Preserve that image. There you go. Let's stick to this by default. Motion. All right. So higher for more detailed motion, lower for a more stable motion. 70%. Yeah, fine. Batch 1, 2, or 3. Okay, I think one video is absolutely fine. And video loop. If you want to loop, you can make it here to go ahead and do it. Do video will loop. Okay, help us grow by keeping the watermark. Okay, so here you go. If you want to disable watermark, as I said previously, you just have to pay $10 a month for it. Okay. Now the other option is here you can do the camera motion, move the AI camera around your scene. Okay, you can zoom in, and you can roll camera, clockwise by 25%, for example. Rotate counterclockwise 10 degrees here. Sorry, not percent, 25 degrees. those type of options are available for you. So if you know what to do, definitely, if you want to make this video more like custom made, if you know how to improve, what those settings, how to do you want those settings to be exact way, you can go ahead and use those options here. Okay, you can same with the zoom and with roll. Okay, what FX is? Okay, FX preset library. Add a magical illusory effect to your video. Okay, so image uploads not supportive with FX presets. Okay, so I think that's something which we cannot do for the moment when we preset the image, but anyway, we're gonna check those. Okay, what is it? So rings moving outwards, hard flower, like it's different type of things which we actually can go ahead. Let's go and place this one. Yeah, okay, now uh, what is this one? Okay, so that's okay. So this prompt was generated randomly. Okay, so the previous prompt, which expressed what's on that image, is gone now. We got a random generated prompt here. Let's see what's happened after we click submit. All right. So I'm just wondering if that's something which we're gonna be seeing, much of a difference of that image, or is it something? Uh, the image will be completely different. Okay, so I don't know how long it's gonna take, so I'll put this video on hold for the moment till this is ready, and I will come back to you to show the final result. Okay, so the video is ready now, and I think the outcome is quite interesting. All right, so remember this picture of the just a simple room with the like just standard. I'll show you what I was starting off with. One second. There you go. That was the initial picture I started off with. Okay, and that picture was converted into the video. All right, based on the prompt, which says otherworldly sunset on a beach with purple sand, sure surreal beauty digital art. Okay, obviously we got a room here, which means that there's not much of a space for the beach. However, look at the floor, what the software did with the floor. It's kind of moving, and I think it's quite interesting, and it's quite the job was done very well. Okay, it's interesting video, like it's very interesting short video. I like the outcome. I didn't expect to be in such a good this video to be such a great. It's in such a way. Okay, like from this all the way to this, right? That's I think it's great. It's absolutely fantastic. There you go. You got a seat number here. So let's say that you want to go ahead and just to repeat that video or something like that, or keep that video, formal as it is now. This is seat number. And that seat number is actually associated with this particular video. That's the resolution. Okay, it's mean the public means that everyone else can see it. Okay, as I said, like we are using the free versions, which means that there is a watermark here. Okay, and everything else, it's just here, like that's absolutely fine. So I think that picture what I found somewhere, like I think was created based on that picture. This outcome was absolutely fantastic. So I'm really pleased with the software itself. Okay, if you feel like you want to go ahead and use that software, please feel free to go and to Genmo AI. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave it below. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, we appreciate if you can do so. Thank you very much for watching.